Mr. Chairman, Honorable Eastern Regional Minister, District Chief Executives, Municipal Chief Executives, distinguished guests, all protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from the Board and Managing Director of SIC Insurance PLC, Mr. Stephen Odro, who unfortunately could not present here because he has other engagements. Let me respectfully request, Mr. Chairman, to acknowledge the presence of my Director of Marketing, who is in the person of Mrs. Benedita Baba Anoche. She is right here with us, and then other team members. It gives us great joy to be part of the Eastern Regional Agribusiness Investors Conference and Exhibition. This conference is coming on at a time when SIC Insurance PLC is celebrating its 60th anniversary. Mr. Chairman, you agree with me that 60 years in the life of an insurance company, and for that matter, any company, is no mean an achievement. SIC has grown from strength to strength over the years with solid financial strength and reinsurance partners, both local and abroad, namely Ghana Reinsurance Company. In fact, they are our main local reinsurance partners here in Ghana. We have Mainstream Reinsurance Company, we have Aon Group UK, we have Swiss Re South Africa, we have African Re, we have United African Insurance Brokers. These are all reinsurance partners who support us in assuming our risks. Just to mention but a few. We have maintained our dominance in the insurance industry with 40% government stake. The government of Ghana has 40% stake in SIC. Other stakeholders in SIC include SNIT, who has 11.82%. We also have a company in Geneva, Switzerland, who owns 4.94%. We have the Teachers Fund. They owe 1.06% of the stake. Ghana Commercial, our GCB, our own GCB bank, owns 1.02% of the stake in SIC. Ghana Reinsurance Company, our local reinsurers, also owe 0.85%. The staff of SIC in total owe 1.01%. Among others, these are the few major stakeholders that we have in SIC. It is in the light of this, Mr. Chairman, that SIC Insurance PLC is out here to partner TIAST Group in the achievement of their corporate goals by providing very solid insurance protection to TIAST and its partners. What SIC seeks to do now first is to protect TIAST Group investment. So much money is going to be put in this project, and it is important that they get a form of protection to protect that investment that they are putting in the project. We also intend to protect the assets, whatever the plants and machinery, equipment, and others for both TIAST and then the partners. We also provide a form of compensation in terms of injury, incapacitation, and then death to any of TIAST and its partners, both at the operational and then the pre-operational stages. SIC will provide a form of compensation to TIAST and its partners as a result of loss or damage to third-party properties that are held in trust or on commission. We will also consider providing cover for any legal liability. That is very, very, very important. Now, everyone is conscious of the law. So we are going to provide cover for any legal liability that might arise as a result of any third-party ingress or egress to the properties of TIAS and the partners. Mr. Chairman, permit me to mention a bouquet of products that we have on offer for our partners. The first I want to talk about is access or risk. This one is a comprehensive fire policy that will protect the properties of TIAS and its partners from loss or damage. We also have the workmen compensation. Of course, the staff must also have a form of cover. And then this is a cover that gives protection to the staff whilst they are in the course of their employment or they are on a contract of employment. Then apart from that, we have the group personal. The group personal accident cover is a 24-hour cover. Whether you are in home, you are on the premises of your workplace, you are covered. So eventually we'll go into for want of time, we will just briefly touch on this, but we'll have time and then go into details on the what the covers do. We have machinery insurance cover to protect the machinery that you are going to install. We are also very much without the machinery, of course, we will not get the agro business to process their products. So it is important that we get a form of cover to protect that machine in the event of any loss or damage. SIC will step in to support you so that you don't find yourself wanting. We will look at erection or risk and also look at contractors or risk. Now, with the erection or risk, we know you are going to use a lot of prefabricated materials in the construction of the factories. Others too may be concrete and others. So depending upon the percentage of prefabrication or concrete that you are going to use for the factories, we will give you the contractors or risk policy, or we'll look at the erection or risk policies. Of course, you'll be importing some materials for the construction of the factories from overseas. So you need a marine insurance cover. We'll look at them. They are two. It's a two-way cover. We have the marine imports when you are bringing in the goods, and then we also have marine exports when you are exporting your finished product to its final destination. It is important that while the products are on sea, we should have a cover for it. In the event of any accident on the sea, you will also be covered there. Then we have goods in transit that we also want to interest you with. Now, moving your products from the warehouse to the port entails some risk. So whilst the goods is on transit from the port or from the warehouse to the port or from the factory to the warehouse, we have some component of risk over there. So we make sure that we protect you in the event that anything happens while the goods are in motion to those places. We will come in to give you that support. Mr. Chairman, we have a new product that we introduced recently, and we also want to interest you, and we call it Home Plus Policy. In fact, it is a comprehensive fire policy that takes care of the individual's property. It looks at your building, it takes care of your contents, and then there is a life component in it. That is critical illness and then life. We also have rent, we have a family personal accident, and then we have a personal liability policy. They are all incorporated into the Home Plus policy. That is why we say it is very comprehensive. And this one will be very, very good for we as individuals. We will interest you that when we eventually settle on it. Mr. Chairman, we also have travel insurance. We know our partners will be moving up and down from Ghana back to home and then back. So we also have the travel insurance policy, which will cover you whilst you are on flight to your home country and then back. So you can be rest assured of that as well. Mr. Chairman, it is worth noting that the TIAS Group and SIC Insurance PS are already in the final stages of an insurance memorandum of understanding to ensure all the operations of TIAS Group and its associates. It is our expectation, Mr. Chairman, that the relationship between SIC and TIAS Group will be sustained and strengthened over the years. Once again, thank you, TIAS Group, for offering us this unique opportunity to showcase the products we have on offer by way of insurances. Thank you.